Google built AI Music Studio directly inside Gemini, and it's shockingly good. We are talking full original tracks with vocals, instruments, and custom cover art generated in seconds. Completely original music for your videos, your presentations, and your courses. Text-to-track instrumentals, the simplest way in. You type a description of the music you want, and it generates a complete 30-second track. Not a rough sketch, a fully produced track with instrumentation, melody, that works. So if you need a calm lo-fi for your study tutorial or a clean ambient audio for your presentation, you just describe it. Text-to-track with vocals, here where it gets really wild. It doesn't just make instrumentals, it writes lyrics and performs them. You tell it the genre, the vocal type, even the topic of the song, and it delivers. I could literally say, write a rap song about bridging the technology gap in classrooms, and get back a track with original lyrics about exactly that.
Get every student on the same page, bringing equal access, turning classrooms to a new stage. We gotta close the gap, close the gap. Put the power in their hands, no turning back. Yeah, we gotta close the gap, close the gap. Put the future in their hands, and that's a fact.
Image and video to track. Upload a photo or a video, and the AI analyzes the visuals, lighting, energy, pacing, subject matter, and composes a soundtrack to match. Think about what this means for a content creator. You shoot a video, drop it into Gemini, and get a custom score tailored just for your footage. No licensing, no headaches, no copyright strikes.
Got a vision in my mind, leaving all the doubt behind. With a wink and with a smile, gonna go the extra mile. Oh, I got that winner's fire, taking everything.
Conversational editing, and this is the one. This is why the tool is different from anything else out there. Because it lives inside the Gemini chat, you can talk to it after it generates a track. Say, speed it up 20%. Switch the electronic. Remove the vocals so I can do a voiceover. You're not just starting over every time, you're directing. It's like having a producer on call who works for you for free and never gets tired. Now here's a practical application. You're building an online course, you need intro music, or you're doing a podcast and you need a background audio, or something upbeat for your recap. That used to mean 3 different licensing subscriptions or hours in music library. Now it's just 3 prompts in one chat window. One thing to know, every track comes with a SynthID, which is Google's invisible watermark that tags the audio as AI generated. That's not a limitation, it's a protection. It keeps everything transparent, ethical, which matters the most if you're in education or you're building a brand. Tell me in the comments, what's the first track you would create with this? I'm genuinely curious, and if you know a fellow creator or an educator who's still paying for stock music, do them a favor, share this, and follow for more AI tools that actually make your life easier.